So we got this classic Mustang behind me. This car was gray, as you guys saw. Right now it's getting wrapped up in this satin white. This is laminated satin, so it doesn't stain easily. As you can tell, this car is tough to wrap. There was a lot of body problems, a lot of paint problems previously, so we went ahead and fixed those areas, and now we're doing the wrap. It's coming out really badass, I think. We haven't really seen a wide body classic Mustang in this color, so we're super excited to get this done. It's a really cool custom Mustang, so stay tuned, check out this thing completed. The Mustang is dead right in front of the Guitar Center. Yeah, we're out of gas right before the shop. Fuel gauge doesn't work, we just realized that now. Old car drama. Oh well, the guys are coming to push right now, so couldn't have happened in a better place.
No fuel.
The gauge doesn't work. It's full all times. The fuel shows full. So we got the 65 Mustang Fastback right here. This has a custom wide body on it. It was already built. One of our buddies bought it and he wanted it to do his signature laminated satin white finish on it. So we went ahead, took the car apart, wrapped it up. You guys see the result now. It has a pretty dope motor in there, 347 stroker actually. Transmission engine is really, really nice. Needs better brakes for my type of driving. And we might be doing an AC system. We just ran out of gas on it. As you guys saw, the fuel gauge on all these old cars usually do not work. We're having that issue with that Testarossa over there too. So all old cars, fuel gauges, you gotta fix them so you know how much fuel you have in the car. Very important, and brakes. So we're done with this Fastback, looks really nice. We have a couple other Mustangs going on right now, Eleanor style. And then we have this really beat up one over there that we're working on too. So 3 Mustangs right now, classics. So on to the next Mustang.
So we have this Ferrari Testarossa. As you guys know, this Ferrari Testarossa, it's in here for body work and mechanical repairs. So that's what we did. Body work is done. The sending unit for the fuel has also been installed. It was a worldwide back order, but we did find a way to get one and finish the repairs on this car. It's a beautiful Ferrari, so we're gonna take it outside right now, have it detailed, ready for the customer. And what do you guys think? I mean, if you guys like these kind of cars, let us know, comment.
So yesterday after work, this gentleman over here decides to drive on Sunset Boulevard. He has no plates on his car, not even an RDB plate, by the way, which is very odd.
Yes, it is.
He has no plate on the car, so
I don't have any RDB wheels on my car, so I was thinking if the owner of the RDB will do a financing, I can get a wheels for
I don't
my
do
car.
financing here, sir.
Yeah, or for the employees, for the managers.
We'll give you a special discount.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah. Anyways.
And on the next episode, you guys will see a new
Okay,
wheel
so
on
why
my
don't
car.
you have your California plate on then?
When I put a wheels, we'll put a California plate too, or I can put an RDB plate so it will match. You know, the manager.
So why don't
driving
you have a
the car.
California plate though?
Someone stole it. I don't know.
Oh my god. Nobody stole it. He doesn't have it on the
I
car.
don't have it.
He gets pulled over, and apparently they rip him out of the car
Yeah.
very aggressively, and they handcuff him and they push him into a wall. They punch him in the balls, apparently, from what he explained. So we came up to the scene after hearing that he's been pulled over from other sources, and as we pulled up, he was pretty much getting out of the cop car in handcuffs. So
Yeah.
we pretty much saved him. He got a license plate ticket only.
And fixing license plate ticket. Make sure it's fixing.
Fix-it license plate ticket. Here's a video of us when we got there. We shot some video of him, so check it out.
This is monocam, and Sarkis got pulled over.
I actually need to sign.
Yeah. No, he just wanted to make sure before he left that all was finished.
Hey, here's your ID, sir. Sir, here's your ID.
We got this brand new Phantom 8 right here. Currently we're doing a clear bra on it. Very expensive car, you want it protected, and we're doing it right. So we have a lot of the trims off that we need, and we're doing the clear bra right now. So another day or two and we'll be done with this beast.
Got some good character.
What is he doing?
Yoga, street sidewalk yoga.
Moses gave me the wrong Ferrari key.
Moses, come on, man.
Is the guy like dead? So we have this Velar here. This car is in here for multiple things. Collision, mechanical. We have a brand new subframe on this thing. So we're assembling the whole thing right now. We should be getting close to completion, and then we're gonna give it to our body shop department and finish the body work and get this car out of here. As you guys can see, I think you guys see something different today. We have our new merch in today. It is very nice. It feels so good. You guys gotta come in here and get it. I'm not kidding. It looks good. It feels good. You guys gotta come in here and get your stuff fast.
Just like what Moses was saying, we got our new shirts in. These are our pretty much uniform shirts, so nothing too special, but we've been having this design for a long time. As you can see, the back has the round logo, big RDB, and has the 48 Liberty Walk on there, Repair Design Build, which stands for RDB. The front now has the RDB on the left chest, as opposed to the center that we were usually doing. I think people like this a little bit better. This is also a Hanes shirt, so it's nice and comfortable. We're gonna be doing more limited t-shirts with different designs, but this is kind of our standard go-to. That's why it's on there. We're gonna be releasing these in a white color. And then we're gonna have other shirts as well with other designs, so stay tuned for that. But again, rdbla.com, go on there and shop now.